Hello there, BoBo, the big corner is back again. Every time you move money, someone takes a cut. Banks, remittance company, payment processors. Most people don't even realize how much they are losing. Bitcoin removed the hidden fees you have been paying for your whole life. You see, banks and payment companies, they make money in ways you rarely noticed. Transfer fee, currency, conversion fee, withdrawal fee, service charge, minimum balance penalty, international transfer fee, sometimes weekend holiday surcharge even. These fees are small individually, yeah, but when they add up over the years, that figures can be different. You lose money simply because you are using the traditional system. You see, Bitcoin isn't and doesn't have a bank. It doesn't have remittance company. It doesn't have currency conversion desk. Bitcoin is one global network. When you send Bitcoin, no banks take a cut, no remittance company take a percentage, no currency conversion, no international transfer fee, and no hidden charges. You pay a net fee, not a company fee. And that fee is the same whether you are sending money across the street or across the world. Bitcoin remove the middleman, and the middleman were where the hidden fee come from. Take for example, when you send money overseas, traditional 3 to 5% fee. Bitcoin network fee only. Buying something online from another country, traditional foreign exchange markup and cut fees. Bitcoin, no foreign exchange markup. When moving money between banks, traditional charge you a transfer fee. Bitcoin, no bank involved. It's that simple. So holding money in a foreign currency, traditional, you have conversion fee. Bitcoin, one global currency. Bitcoin doesn't eliminate every cost, but it eliminates the hidden one. So why does this matter? If you work overseas, okay, travel often, send money home, or buy things online, hidden fee quietly drained your savings. Bitcoin give you a way to move money without being taxed by the system. It's not about getting rich. It's about getting more of what you earn. Okay? Hidden fees are invisible until you add them up. Bitcoin make them visible and avoidable at the same time. Something interesting to think about, right? Thank you for watching. See you next episode. Bye bye.